Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making a simple painting of evening time. In the color palette, choose the sky color for the background. For the background mountains, choose the purplish blue color. For drawing of mountains, we are using the sharp glaze brush. To draw mountains, we choose the new layer. Draw the shape of mountains with the help of this brush. Fill the color. To draw the farther mountains, choose slightly darker shade. Create another layer. Similarly, draw the outline, fill the solid color. Move this layer in the back. Similarly, draw the farther mountains with darker shade in the new layer. Choose the background layer. To draw the clouds, choose the white color. And in the brush section, we are choosing the salty watercolor brush. We are choosing the pink color, and also adjust the size of the brush. Fill the lower part of it to give the darker shade of the clouds. To the clouds, we now choose the golden yellow and fill the lower section of clouds. Now for the darker shade, we now choose the gray color in the palette and fill the clouds. It gives shade of the evening time to the clouds. To merge and blend the color, we are picking the hair brush. It blends and smoothens the color texture. This merging brush also gives the clouds the feathery look. To draw the highlight of the clouds, we again choose the white color. Reduce the size of the brush of salty watercolor. Fill the outline of the clouds. Again, merge the color with the hair blending brush. To give clouds the golden hue, we now choose the soft airbrush. Adjust the transparency level and fill the clouds. Sky golden haze, we now reduce the brush transparency to 42% and fill the color. With the help of this brush again, and do portray the darker shade of upper sky, we choose the darker shade of blue color in the palette. After completing the sky, we move on to the mountain layer. To give the mountain texture, we choose the synthetic round bristle brush. Choose the darker shade and fill to develop the texture. To prevent the color from spilling, we lock the layer. To give the sense of bushes and trees on the mountains, we choose the camel brush in the texture section. Adjust the size, and this time we unlock the layer as we water the outline to form the uneven surface. Repeat the same for the other layers of the mountains. To give the texture, we again go to the first layer and fill the color with the camel brush. To smoothen the texture, we are choosing the blending brush, and with the help of this brush merge the different shades of the mountains, which gives the even texture. With the help of hair blending brush we smoothen the colors, which gives a feel of distant mountains. Now we repeat for all the mountains layer. This painting is almost complete. And to complete the shadow zone of the painting, we now create a new layer. To create a closer mountain of the shadow zone, first we choose dark brown color. To draw the outline, we choose the sharp glaze brush. Draw the shrubs and trees on this mountain layer we choose the camel brush. Increase its size to 50%. Pick the dark green color in the paletter. The lighter shade of the green to form texture to the trees. Now with this, our painting is complete.